Hi, and your name is?
I'm Karen Marsikowski from the Cantilon Chamber Choir from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. I'm here to sing with my choir in a lot of different things: chamber choir, vocal solo, and also chamber and folk stuff, women's. Yeah. Have you met my choir?
That lady sitting with the ice cream cone, have you met that guy? That's our conductor, the woman. Heather, give us a wave.
And that's her husband beside him.
And this is our choir. Everybody wave.
Everybody wave at the camera. Hey guys.
So you guys at the parade today?
We did do the parade. It was my very first time here, my very first time doing a parade, and it was fantastic. Everyone has such different costumes, a lot different than what we were wearing, but it reminds me of my own city, my own country, because everyone else is all like that.
Walking towards the youth choir results. Here's. You scared?
Of course I'm scared.
You always We're doing okay.
Yeah, you always think you do a little bit better or worse than you think you did. Like, I did fantastic. And you get up and you're like, no, I didn't. Or you're like, you did fantastic. You didn't do that great. And they're like, yeah, you did. So you never really, really know. As long as you practice as hard as you can. Sing and just enjoy it, I guess. That's the only time it really matters.
Rigel, how are you feeling? How are you feeling about the competition?
I think. What competition? So those are
The one that we're going to see the results for.
I think we're gonna get second or third.
Really? Why not first?
Maybe.
Maybe. If you were singing, it would be first, right?
We will probably be first or second or third. Yeah.
What's your favoriteest part of the festival so far?
Cape Hatha!
What about
You
you?
didn't even sing it. No. I like the TV.
We didn't forget about you,
the
Liam.
I like the internet. That was my favorite part so far.
Really? Where? Where'd you get the internet?
Oh, I went to the stand at the internet and I saw my facial expression.
Oh, cute. How were they, Rigel?
They were very eyebrowy.
I really like seeing the other cultures. Like what we were just at, that was so cool to hear like Pakistan.
Yes, we did.
Parade the best.
Why do you like the parade the best, Matthew?
Because there were lots of cameras and then we got to walk around with the flags and stuff. And we got to be on the newspaper.
I'd say just seeing everybody else's culture. Because we kind of have a lack of culture in Canada.
We'll record ourselves in the audience so you can see how scared straight we are. So yeah, we'll see ya. Yes.
That's our conductor, because we go.
How are you guys feeling?
We're gonna go see our conductor because we just got first. We're gonna go see her. We're gonna go visit her. Come on, let's go.
Dear good friend of mine.